What's in your box? If you're replacing an ignition coil, it's probably because the original one failed. NAPA Echlin import ignition coils include numerous improvements over the OE design, so you can be confident the job will be done right the first time. Our NAPA Echlin engineers looked at how and why OE coils fail and made specific upgrades to address common weak points. Prolonged exposure to high temperature is a common reason for coil failure, so many of our improvements focus on reducing heat and improving insulation. NAPA Echlin import coils feature a flexible, high-temperature resistant silicone boot and high dielectric strength housing to withstand extreme heat and provide superior insulation. The advanced thermosynthetic coil connector ensures a proper connection and resists fractures caused by heat and thermal cycling. The internal core of a NAPA Echlin import coil is made from grain-oriented electrical steel. This improves the magnetic circuit and allows the coil to operate at lower temperatures while improving performance. The precision wound bobbin includes additional sections and simplified core separators, which compensate for thermal expansion inside the coil. Let's take a closer look at the popular Nissan 3.5-liter V6 coil. A typical system produces up to 30 kilovolts. The original coil with 8 sections has to push nearly 4 kilovolts through each section. NAPA Echlin adds a section to require only 3.3 kilovolts through each. More sections means less heat, and less heat means a longer coil life. These NAPA Echlin coils outperform the OE, producing more spark energy and longer-lasting discharge for improved vehicle performance, fuel economy, and emissions. Another common cause of coil failure is moisture and corrosion. NAPA Echlin import coils address both. High dielectric epoxy is injected into the case in a vacuum to eliminate air pockets and prevent moisture intrusion. Our popular IC629 features an improved one-piece design to further guard against moisture intrusion. Add an upgraded brass mounting bushing and stainless steel spring to reduce corrosion, and you've got a precision coil. By specifically addressing common failure points and improving on the original design, NAPA Echlin delivers a more reliable, better performing, and longer-lasting import ignition coil.